What's the meaning of cakewalk? Cakewalk. Cakewalk.
Cakewalk. Cakewalk. The term cakewalk originated from a dance in which the prize was a cake. It later became used to describe any task or competition that is easy or effortless to complete. A cakewalk is typically an enjoyable and stress-free experience that requires little effort or skill. It can refer to a variety of situations, such as a straightforward exam or winning a contest with no opponents. In short, a cakewalk means that something is easy to achieve or accomplish, often without much challenge or difficulty.